Well, it's been about a week and a half since I left the Dad Sews Mid-West Sewciopath Meet-Up that we had in Springfield, Missouri. We had a blast. Now, whether it was shopping at Fabric Outlet in the morning, our awesome barbecue and brisket lunch we had at the brewing company, or maybe shopping at FM stores later that day, we had a blast. Although I think the best part of the day was the sew and swap. That's where everybody, to a man or woman, brought something they sewed, and then we raffled it and swapped it with somebody at random. Everybody left the meetup with not only something tangible in their hands, but also a huge smile on their face. I couldn't have done it without the help of Danelle and without the help of the wonderful staff at FM Stores and Fabric Outlet. It was wonderful. Of course, my wonderful wife as well helped plan the lunch. It was just great, everybody. And I have to thank Christy and Lauren and Nancy for coming and being my special guests. I know everybody was excited to meet Christy after her big New York show. And Lauren went through FM Stores and just gave a class, just dropped knowledge on everybody on vinyl and leather and purse making. And people left there with their heads expanded 10 sizes. She just dropped knowledge bomb after knowledge bomb. That was so awesome. Thank you so much if you came, and if you didn't, I'm about to show you some of the fun we had. Now stick around because I have news, a big announcement at where we're probably gonna be next. Now, didn't that look like fun? Oh man, it's so hard to put into words how much fun we all had. I really wish you could have been there if you weren't, but hey, there's a chance for you to be at the next one. We are thinking about going on the East Coast this fall in Pennsylvania. So I'm throwing it out there. If you would be interested in going to another Sewciopaths meetup, this time on the East Coast in Pennsylvania, I already have a couple special guests in mind. I would like to know in the comment section below. Tag a friend who lives in the PA, Ohio, Virginia, New York area. Those are all within driving distance. We're gonna plan a really kick-ass show and fun time for everybody. So I wanna see you. I want to know if you're going to be there. I want you to tell your friends. Thank you for checking out Dad Sew's video. As always, don't forget my motto, sew, fail, repeat. I'll see you with a new video soon.
Dad Sews, this is how it goes with Dad Sews.
Hey, I hope you liked that video. Be sure to click right here to subscribe and you'll be instantly entered to win a free sewing machine. How cool is that? And click right here for another great video. Hey, it may be better than this one. Go on, I'll wait. Seriously, I have all day.